Poma ma'am, as there are no further questions from the participants, can we request you to give your inputs on the paper presentation which was made by Dr. Navya, D. Navya?
Yeah, Miss Navya. Yeah, Navya, she has given it very well. I think she has narrated the entire scenario of COVID V right from its inception, how it is getting propagated and all. She has compared very well with that SARS, MERS also, and statistics and all. They were excellently given, Navya. I think it's
Thank you, ma'am.
wonderful.
Thanks.
And final
Thank you,
conclusion
ma'am.
is you have again, that you told that self quarantine, stay at home and
Yes.
stay safe. So that
Yes, ma'am.
conclusion it makes everything. It sounds everything.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
reveals that yes, it's us. We have to be careful, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That was very
Yes,
good,
ma'am.
Navya. Thank you for that.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your wonderful remarks and inputs on the presentation made by Navya ma'am. So we are still waiting for the next okay.
Aditi, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So we are in touch.
If there is anyone else who can present, I think they can start again. The meeting time will be over, I think.
I hope I'm audible now. We regret for the internet pause. Especially speaking today on the day, like
Please wait for the 2-3 minutes. We are waiting for another presentation. Just because of login issues, he is unable to log in, but he is requesting for the time. For the time being, we are waiting in the session. Just we are waiting for another 2 minutes, and then after we can go for end session conclude. Hope you understand.
So, with the presentation of Navya, we came to the presentation. I thank the presenter as well as I also thank you, Dr. Pankaj. On behalf of this provider.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, audible?
Hello.
Sir, it is audible.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Is it audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you are very much audible.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I made several times to Shamil, sir. So
Yes.
he is connecting problem. He is not in a position to connect through web. So we can end the session. If anyone is there, anyone wanted to share their ideas about this West 2020, give him a chance. Otherwise, we will end the session. Right now.
Right. So, at this moment of the session, we take this privilege in requesting the participants as well as the chair of the session and the presenter, whoever wants to share their ideas on this previous presentation, you are most welcome. We have a discussion and we would end the session. Dr. Anupama Garu, would you like to give your reflections on this GWES 2020, on the theme, on the topic, on the presentations that took place? We'll be enlightened to hear from you, and we would end the session.
Yes, ma'am. A very good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself once again. I'm Dr. P. Mary Anupama from the Department of Biochemistry, St. Joseph's College. So this is the first webinar. This is not a webinar, actually, it's an online conference, I think. And it's being organized very well, like the Zoom presentations and all. It's first of its kind, and I have attended for the first time, I'm telling you. And coming to the challenges, really, there are so many technological challenges that the world is facing nowadays. Since the past 3 months, I think all the faculty members, they have learned to face the camera. They're outright ready to sit in front of the camera, teach their students online, coming up with all the assessments. The technology is upgrading to such an extent that now we have online tools available. We know the usage of tools, and that's how we are coming up with these presentations and all. Yes, there are technological lapses that we have to overcome. Many of us have to learn how to do it, and I think we have learned enough these 3 months that we are not supremes, but there is one small tiny creature which is just locked out us into our rooms, into our home, and it is dictating the world. So let us all again admire the nature, appreciate its it's too intelligent. I think the virus is too smart. It's even changing. What I heard is it's already started mutating and many things are there coming up. So it's a lot of challenge for us, and all of us get prepared, equip yourself to face the challenge, like learn new things, get adjusted to this new environment, and I think definitely will do it forward. And definitely at one particular point of time, maybe we'll get back to normality. That's what I feel, and technology is going to do that. Thank you.
Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely. Thank you very much for your wonderful reflections on the present scenario that is we are going through in this whole world, all of us. It has opened new windows, new doors to different transitions in mind. Of course, we need to be positive. We need to be hopeful. We need to be optimistic. And thank you very much for all your wonderful inputs on this webinar. At this moment, I take this privilege in ending the session with my vote of thanks. And I thank you, ma'am, Dr. Anupama Garu, very much for your kind presence. We are honored to have you here. And also, I thank the people presenter and all the participants who were a part of this GWS 2020 and for their extremely interesting and illuminating presentation on the topics. I would also like to thank the session chair for her valuable remarks and each and everyone. Thank you, one and all. Hope to see you again. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.